Hey there guys, I just looked on how we can possibly fix the Meta Quest 3 that is not connecting to Wi-Fi. I was looking on how we can possibly fix the issue, so these are like two things that you can try. So try to first connect to a hotspot on your phone or your PC, and then you could possibly do it. So try to do this when I'm going to write your mobile hotspot on PC. I can just turn it on and try to connect it through it if it's not going to work. And the second thing that you can try, this is like the person just wrote here that he was unable to connect it to Wi-Fi, and he just wrote here, I was able to connect to the Wi-Fi through the MetaQuest mobile app. I needed to tap on the Quest 3, go to device settings, and connect to Wi-Fi through there. So try it out. Maybe this is going to actually fix it, because some people just wrote here that edit saved me so much time and money. Thank you for the tip, and I've been looking for a solution for hours. And maybe this is going to also fix the issue for you. I know it's a text-based, but I know that you don't have to then search for like hundreds of tutorials and posts and AI-generated blogs, and you just watch this video and bam, you got it. You know what I'm saying? So, have a great day and goodbye.